Making money online can be a long journey with a lot of wasted energy, gas, and time that you can't get back. Now we could focus on all the reasons why most people will fail. Or we can show you how to be a part of the few. Money is being made 24/7 on the internet, and if you are not in that algorithm, this is your chance.
Look guys, just earned $50 straight to Cash App thanks to this double upgrade bonus that's happening with this marketing system. Watch this until the end and take advantage of this double upgrade bonus. So this $50 commission that I earned earlier today, this was a leverage line commission from the $400 product package. This means one of my personal referrals, they sold the $400 product package.
This is Mr. Leverage, and I just made $300 with this double upgrade that is happening for the rest of December and ending December 31st. If you want to come in for a lower level and you want to get upgraded to a bigger level, so we're talking about coming in mid-ticket level and unlocking high ticket on a whole nother level with leverage you've never seen, where you earn from everybody that you bring in. And not only that, you have me behind the scenes bringing you additional leverage for every single person that takes action. Then the next 14 days are going to be very important to you, because right now, this is not going to happen again. Whoever's page that you are on or wherever you've seen this information, we are building a team and growing a team that you've never seen before with leverage and with a system and a blueprint that you've never seen before. And until you see it for yourself from the inside and you experience it, there's 14 days left for you to come in and get into position or take advantage and share this special offer that's only happening once. If you want to be able to cover low ticket, mid ticket, high ticket, promote your own personal program, be able to build a list, have community, and everything you could ever need, keep watching this video. More importantly, at the end, be sure to get back to who shared this with you and take action and get with our ever-growing team so you can finally taste what success and see what a real blueprint to success looks like. 2025 is going to be our biggest year, but we don't wait until January 1st. It starts now.
We are growing a huge team and our last team. For the rest of December, we are offering you 2 paths to success to position you for a year of abundance for 2025. You can only get this blueprint from one of our members. For the rest of December, you could be growing a list of buyers. You could be earning cash flow while promoting your primary business. You could be growing a global business. You could be earning, while you are learning, instantly. You could be earning from every member you enroll instantly. All of this, and so much more, is waiting for action takers. Because with the 5MP movement and our double upgrade, action takers are rewarded. If you want to know how you can make $300 like Mr. Leverage did here daily, he has a blueprint for you, and we are a global opportunity. Get back with the person that shared this with you to check out our end of year special, or comment the word leverage for more info. We have a path for you. All you have to do is take action. Huge things are happening right now. What you don't know may not hurt you, but it will keep you broke. Build your last team with the 5MP movement today.
This is Mr. Leverage again, coming back one more time because I want to share 2 things I think I found very interesting that you need to know. The first is 6 types of people. And I want you to understand where you fall at and be honest where you are at this 6 types of people. And then the last thing is, again, how we can help you succeed. And a special I'm going to be running right now because we got less than 14 days left before we get to the end of the year. The people that move with us before we hit January 1st are putting them in a very high possibility of having the best year they've ever had of their life, with everything they could ever need when it comes to succeeding online in a make money online business and vehicle. I asked AI, right? I have access to an AI bot that I use, but it's not your typical AI bot. It's one that's in our area of make money, and it's basically, it's mimic after me. I asked it to tell me if the bottom is not doing anything or taking any action and being unaware, and the top is to take action and to be an action taker. What are the 6 phases and the 6 steps? What happens in between? And this is what it told me. And I'm at a 5 and a 6, but I want you to be honest about where you feel you are in your journey and understand that no matter where you are, We have a home and a place for you to succeed here. Number one it gave me was the unaware. At the bottom, we have those who are blissfully unaware. They don't know what they don't know. In the context of our digital and entrepreneur world, these are the folks who haven't yet realized the power of online marketing, AI integration, or the potential for financial freedom through digital means. They're not necessarily resistant, they're just not informed. So that's number one, the unaware. So are you the unaware? Let's go to two. Number two is the curious beginner. A step above the unaware are the curious beginners. They've had their aha moment and realized there's something more out there. They start asking questions, dipping their toes into the basics of online marketing, maybe setting up a social media profile for their business, but they're still figuring out the lay of the land. So that will be number two. So are you the curious beginner? Number two, wherever you're watching this at, comment on YouTube, comment on a Facebook post. If you're on the actual page, you want to take action and get in, but let us know what number you are and be honest with yourself. Number three, the learner. Now, we're getting into the heart of the action. The learner has moved beyond mere curiosity and is actively seeking knowledge. They're consuming content, maybe attending webinars, reading books, and beginning to understand the importance of personal branding and the basics of SEO and content marketing. They're experimenting, making mistakes, but learning from them. So that will be the learner. That's number three. So that was the bottom three. Now let's get to the top three. And keep in mind, I consider myself at a 5 or 6 at this point in my journey. Where are you at? Here's the top three. Number 4, the implementer. This is where the rubber meets the road. The implementer takes what they've learned and starts applying it. They're building their website, optimizing their social media presence. Maybe they've started using social AI tools to enhance their post and engagement. They're seeing results, but they're also facing challenges and learning to overcome them. So that would be number 4, the implementer. Number 5, the innovator. Just below the top, we have the innovators. These individuals have mastered the basics and are now experimenting with new ideas. They're not just using tools, they're thinking about how to improve them or create their own. They're looking for gaps in the market, developing unique products or services, and maybe even starting to build a personal brand that stands out. They're becoming their own leaders in their own right. So would you consider yourself to be an innovator? Number 5, I'm definitely that. I'm at a 5 and moving into a 6. And here we are at 6, the visionary leader. At the pinnacle, we have the visionary leaders. These are the people who are not just ahead of what's happening, they're defining it. They've built empires by understanding the digital landscape better than anyone else and leveraging it to create massive value. They're not just participating in the market, they're shaping it. That's where I'm moving to. So I will currently see myself at a 5, moving into a 6 with what's happening right now. So where do you see yourself at from 1 to 6? And understand that even on any team, I'm the quarterback of our team, but there's still additional places on the team where you need to be at, and you can win. Every team can win, but mostly every team has a quarterback. Every team has a coach. And even those people pay lots of money, professionals, to be trained to be even better athletes. And when it comes into this arena, because it is a sport, it's just a different type of sport, there's no difference. So I'm going to be a sensei over here, and you're going to get in this dojo, you're going to put in this work. Nah, for real. What I'm offering and what I'm going to do is I'm going to be showing you things that they don't show. They don't take the time. A lot of places will give you something, sell you something, and that's where it ends. It's a transaction. It's over. Your journey is all by yourself, all on your own. And I'm sure many of you have experienced that because I've lived it for years. The difference is I'm a 5 and a 6. I'm no longer at those earlier stages that I know a lot of you are, and you haven't evolved beyond. And I'm here to give you the blueprint and the tools, the systems, and everything that we need to get you where you need to go so that we can move forward and you can get to the part of being happy, being successful, and achieving time freedom and financial freedom and being able to have a happier quality of life while impacting others by helping them do the same thing. by using the internet. So what I'm going to be able to do here for you at this point, with only so much time left at the end of the month, there's 3 things that I can do for you. The first thing is you want to be sure to follow my YouTube channel no matter where you're following this video at, because I am the quarterback of the team and I have a lot of stuff I'm going to be showing you the rest of this month on what we're doing here on the channel every single day. And I'm probably going to be live streaming. So you want to get over there and don't miss that. I'm going to be doing this for the whole team, for everybody takes action. It's not just about me, it's about all of us. We all have to succeed. Therefore, we all need knowledge and we need to be informed. The next important place you can be is our Facebook group. There's going to be information shared there. There's going to be things that you need to know. And again, you need to be around other like-minded people that are just like you, that are rooting for you and want you to win, that don't want to tear you down, that want to see you win and want to give you what you need to do the exact same thing and beyond. The third place you're going to want to be is the 5MP VIP. The 5MP VIP is going to be on hold right now because there's only so much time left for the month of December. And I want to focus on my YouTube channel, which is giving you the information that everybody needs. I want to focus on a Facebook group, which is the people that take advantage and go inside there so we can get the help and get people up and going. I want to focus on the people that take action, getting you the system, the funnels, the tools, and everything that you need. And I want to focus on preparing for what's to come in January. And speaking of that, here's a sneak peek of just something else that you get when you take advantage of our highest level, which is going to put you in position for financial gains. It's going to unlock so many things for you. And the funnel that I built from top to bottom explains everything that you need to the T. So you want to be sure that you ask for the link for the next step for this. Wherever you are, if there's a link, click it. If you need to ask somebody, that means there's somebody in our team sharing this, ask for the link. Because once January 1st hits, all this stuff is going to be way higher off the table and you could have saved so much and you could have put yourself in such a better position. For example, these insane tools that we have right here. These are AI tools. Most AI tools that are free are cool, but they don't really give you that great quality, or there's not even really an affiliate program, and if it is, it's not really worth it. In this case, you're going to get these tools when you take advantage at the $400 level for the full year. When you come in, you can use them unlimited. There are some that are credit based when it comes to video stuff, but that's going to be up to you. But I've used all of them. If you need any help and assistance, we're going to be behind the scenes. Not only that, we're offering a boot camp. For those that want to be solopreneurs, I'm on my own. I do my own thing. This is great for you for content creation and also being able to give this to the people that join you in this system that only we have. But for those that want to be a part of the team, for those that want to roll with the 5MP movement, I'm going to be starting in January a class showing people how to use these tools to build your individual brand under our umbrella that we're all connected a part of, that we all earn together on. Because when you earn, your team earns, and it's actually so much bigger than that. But once again, I'm only hitting the tip of the iceberg because I can only tell you so much in this introduction. But wherever you are, take action. If it is not January 1st, there's a place for you to be in here with us. It's not about money. You can save money one way or another. Whether you benefit small or whether you benefit big is up to you. Whether you want to make a little bit of money in 2025 or you want to make a lot of money like a lot of the people that I'm working with in 2025 is up to you. I'm giving you the opening and the keys to the kingdom and the gate to walk through. A lot of people will gatekeep you. They will give you one little bit. If water was being successful, a lot of people will give you one bottle and they want you to keep coming back, one bottle at a time, one bottle at a time. And they're going to keep on selling you and raise the price, open up and up. But here, some people will want to give you maybe more in mass, like a Sam's Club deal. You get more water. I'm doing better than the guy down the street, but you still got to keep coming back to me. So I don't want to show you how to get the water for yourself. You got to keep coming to me. But what we do here with our movement is we teach you where you get your own water source, how you build your own success under your own brand, under your own umbrella. But the thing is, you're a brand of brands. We're a house of brands, and all of our people's brands are under our umbrella of the 5MP. It's deeper than that, but for those that want to take action, we'll dive deeper. For those not trying to make any money, or those that just want to work a job, or just want to, I don't know what you want to do. I'm sorry, I don't. It's up to you. But for those of us that want it, these tools are going to set you eons ahead of other people. And not only that, you got me behind the scenes, the quarterback. I ensure you have a game plan, multiple game plans to choose from. Trust me, 10 plus years in this. 10 plus years in this, and this is before I even came out of my corporate world of what that does for what we do here. All of it matters. All of it matters. And right now, going into 2025, a lot of things are going to happen whether you're realizing it or not. If you're one of the people that's hip and already up to turning the internet into cash flow, salute to you. You have a home here. If you haven't woke up yet, Wake up soon before you're in a situation to where you don't have a choice. And now you're scrambling to do this. And now you're moving from a place of desperation when you should be using from a place of abundance and blessing others and helping others be blessed. And then you'll be blessed. That's the way you want to do it. You want to move from a place of, oh, I need to make money. No, you want to move from a place of, I want to help people win. And I want to give people tools and systems that they need to run their business so they can win. And when you do that, that's a transaction. And you get that transaction. You got to pay somebody. Why are you paying them? What they giving you? Nothing. But over here, it's different. So again, it's Mr. Leverage. I got so much to share with you. Follow the Facebook group, the YouTube channel. Get these tools. This is just the tip of the iceberg. We got way more to give you and way more to help you with. But that's for the action takers to find out. Get the link. See you on the inside. Let's get it. 2025 is coming. And you can go out broke and stay broke. Or you can go out on the way up and get ready to have the best year of your life. Because that's what we're going to do. See you on the inside.